Friends, welcome to Easy and Homestyle Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Dear friends, my husband bought 10 kgs of mangoes and he gave me a challenge that I need to make at least 10 varieties of dishes with the mangoes. Because of that, I'm showing you different variations of mango desserts. If you like it, make it, dear friends. These are very nice. I already showed you a couple of desserts and today we are going to learn how to make a mango delight. This delight I am going to make it with coconut milk and custard powder. So here is the coconut milk. Depending upon how much you want to make, based on that you can increase the quantity of coconut milk, and also some sugar as per sweetness you can add. First we are going to mix the sugar nicely so that this will dissolve in our coconut milk, and in this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of custard powder. First I want to mix this so that there won't be any lumps. So friends, here you can see I have whisked this nicely. Now we are going to heat this and make our custard with nice coconut milk. And he gave me a challenge saying that you need to make different kinds of desserts and with different kinds of ingredients. One is this dessert with coconut milk and custard powder I am making. So we are going to heat this until this becomes little bit thick. We are going to cook it. So friends, here you can see I have continuously mixing it, and just switch off the flame once you see that this has become nice and thick. How you make your regular custard, the same way, but instead of milk I used coconut milk. Dear friends, you need to try different variations. So here our custard is ready. What I am going to do is I am going to transfer this into a bowl, or otherwise in the same bowl itself you can mix the pulp also. And this custard, it should be little bit thick, not thin. Just transfer this into a bowl. You can see how thick it is. It should be like this. And now we are going to add the mango pulp. This is the fresh mango pulp, and if you want, take a whisk and you can whisk it. I'm going to use the same whisk so that we don't see any lumps of our mango pulp. So friends, here you can see I whisked this nicely, and now we are going to use a spoon back. And in the last, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some freshly diced mangoes. When we are going to have this delight, we are going to get the coconut flavor, and in between we are going to get the mango pieces. Now it's all ready. We need to arrange this. Today I'm using a champagne glass, and we are going to put this in refrigerator for at least half an hour to 1 hour so that this will become nice and thick. This delight won't be too thick, dear friends. If you refrigerate also, this won't become thick but nice and soft. This is there. The custard flavor and the coconut flavor, not too sweet, perfect sweetness. Sometimes you can cut down the sugar and you can have this. It's not cold, but this is very yummy. So dear friends, this I am going to freeze it for half an hour and then have cold in this summer. Friends, here is our delight ready, nice and thick. It's chilled. If you want, you can chill it for more also. And what we are going to do is we are going to take some whipping cream and just whip it little bit, or whichever designs you want you can do it. And in the last we are going to take some mango pieces which I sliced in, and all ready to have it. This is so yummy. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this simple mango delight. If you like it, make it, and also share it with your friends so that everybody can enjoy goodness of food. See you in another session with some more recipes.